Hello and welcome back to MTD CNC India. Yes, I'm in India today and I'm with my buddy Suman and we're going to talk Markforged 3D printing. What are the benefits? I'm ready to learn just like you guys today. This is a desktop, smaller one. It's going to print some really cool materials and we're going to learn a little bit more about why Aaran 1 invested in this amazing technology. So, coming from Phillips Suman, let's talk a little bit about Markforged and thank you for being a part of MTD.
Yeah, thank you, Tony. Thank you for having me over.
Absolutely. So when I have questions about this, I have a lot of questions and I'm ready to learn. And when we were talking earlier, we learned a lot about the hardness of materials, how that hardness is done, where this can really benefit a company like Aaran 1 where we are today. Would you mind explaining some of that to the audience?
Yeah, sure. So we are talking about a Markforged printer, which basically involves two different kinds of materials. One composite plastic and another is the continuous fiber. So combination of these two gives us a reinforced part which can replace a lot of aluminium and stainless steel parts. So Aaran 1 has done a lot of research on these materials and on their parts. So we do have a couple of success stories from them where I'll be excited to share them with you.
I look forward to hearing about those success stories. So when we think about the hardness of a material, but doesn't actually print that specific material, we're talking about internal opportunities for workholding and soft jaws where we can implement a really cool process without having the downtime of running a machine to make those same jaws. Is that how this all works?
Yeah, that's true. So as you can see, the printer is it's really a desktop version of the printer which is placed next to a designer. So it almost works like is hobby kind of printer, but the material that can be printed out of it gives it a over the edge advantage. So where I can print materials which are strong enough so that it can replace my aluminium parts. And when I am talking about the workholding fixture, so we are also talking about how does this material give me the strength to do so. Yes, I cannot 100% replace all of the materials, but we do have around 30 to 40% chance where I can replace my existing workholding jaws, existing soft jaws, and lot more cool stuff.
Well, that is pretty cool, and I think you have a part over here that shows the inside and shows how that strength is done to be similar to aluminum, right?
Yeah, so usually Markforged follows this reinforcement procedure where we print with two different materials. So we print our base material which is onyx, which is basically a nylon plus chopped carbon fiber. We also do have something called as continuous fiber, so where I would say we are one of the pioneer in this agenda. So here the reinforcement happens in such a way that we are going to control the strength of this part as per our end application requirement. So I can print a part which can just withstand 10 kg of load, or I can print the same part which can withstand more than 50 kg of load. I can choose from 4 different kinds of fibers, which gives me an advantage with regards to my printing time and printing cost. And also I can plan for my job holding works where I can print all the work holding in this printer, whereas my main machine does my actual machining jobs.
I like that. That's clever. So you also have a couple samples here when we talked about work holding. You have a metal piece here and then something that was printed here. Hardness the same though, right?
The strength is almost the same.
The strength.
Yes. So what happens, so is this particular part, it was actually a work holding jaw for one of the turning part. As you can see, it's pretty heavy in my hand. But the same part we 3D printed it out of our Markforged printer. So when we go with the same design concept, there is a 50% chance that it might not work for our benefits. So we do also have to bring up the concept of design for additive manufacturing. And I think Aaran 1 designers are pretty good brought up with this technology, and they have adopted it so easily that we have designed a new specific kind of work holding fixture where we have increased the thickness, we have done few modification in the part, and this part definitely is capable enough to do the same job as what the machining as metal part used to do. And this was printed in an overnight job, so we don't have the human presence to be near the printer all the time. So we just hit the print button, go home, come back the next day, the part would be ready, and then I can give it to my operators and they can just operate it and they can get the part fixed it. And we also do have one of the profile gauge. So once the part was machined, we even add this profile gauge to fit it inside here just to cross check whether the machining is as per our requirement. Yes, it might not be 0 microns or 10 microns, but we do get almost 90% of the results that we are expecting.
So just a quick cleanup will make it the perfection that we're looking for.
Yeah.
But something else I thought of, when I saw you pick this up and your muscle got real big because it's a lot heavier, and then you pick this one up, which is obviously a lot lighter. Something else came to my mind, and that's the overall weight of a process inside of a machine. If we can create a lighter work holding, we can do other things quicker or add more to the project or more meat to the project because the overall weight is a little bit less.
Yeah, that's true. See, the reason why we use a lot of aluminum in our factory floor shop is because it's lightweight. And now when we can give to the customer, which is almost 50% lighter than aluminum, but it can give you the same strength. So we are looking at a wide range of areas which can be bought up into. And not only in the work holding fixture, we are also talking about these parts being printed and used directly inside our end components, where it can give the same strength of an aluminum and perform the same functionalities, but much more lighter in weight.
Well, I know there's a lot of people out there that use soft jaws all the time.
Yeah.
Imagine the savings that you could have by just printing it on your own, right? That's quick payback.
Yeah, that's true. See, and as I earlier mentioned, like it's something which works on its own. We don't have to operate it continuously. All you have to do is like come up with such a work holding fixtures where you can replace it with your existing aluminum parts, and we can get the parts within overnight, and we can get it done. And we do have hundreds of case studies globally which talks about all these aspects in particular, and we are happy that we Indians are also adopting to this Markforged technology at a very larger rate, and we do have a lot of customers who are doing the same kind of job work and soft tools example, and I think we are going in the right path.
I agree with you, absolutely. But not just what we've discussed already. You can also get really creative, can't you? And I think you have a project over here that couldn't even be machined. It could only be 3D printed.
Yeah, true. So we do have one of the component which rotates in almost around 360-degree angle. And this particular rotation has helped Aaran one in holding one of their pipe clamps. And then that clamp being hanged for a certain amount of height for doing their end application job works. So I think this is something innovative that the designers have come across with. So earlier this might have been just a small 3 holding clamps made out of metal welded together with not so much of design freedom. So now we get a lot of design freedom, and with help of composites, these plastic parts are also somewhere comparably as strong as the aluminum.
And just to go bring this thing full circle, as you say, being able to run this all night and having to make a part like that, I can only imagine, even if it was going to be machined or manufactured somehow, what the lead time would be like on a project like that. This removes all that lead time.
Yeah, definitely. See, when we are talking about, first is for the end part manufacturing. So whether if you decide to do the machining of end part, we first have to come up with the holding fixtures. Whereas in case of our Markforged technology, we don't have to worry about the holding fixtures because we can directly print the part. And suppose if we come across a case where we need it in a particular material of particular metal grade, then we can certainly print the holding fixtures out of this, and that will save the downtime for my machines, and directly I can start my production work.
Well, Suman, we've talked a lot about replacing metals for soft jaws or creative technology, but what about printing metals as well? You can do that, can't you?
Yeah, we definitely can, and Markforged has come up with the most innovative metal printing, so which can enable us to place the metal printer next to the designer and it can operate. So we don't need a sophisticated environmental conditions to be maintained. So I do have a couple of parts which are actually 3D printed out of metal, and we can print with almost close to 6 different varieties of metal material, and the changeover from one metal material to another metal material can be done within couple of minutes, and we can expect almost the part to give me more than 95% of the end result, which is similar to a machined part. And if we are talking about replacing of from metal to metal, yes, we definitely can do that, and hopefully in coming days Aaran one will be one of our pioneer customer for the metal X printer.
I'm absolutely sure there's a ton of Indian companies out there watching this video, looking at you going, well, how do I get one? So how can they find out more about Phillips, Markforged? How can they talk to you about getting a printer?
Yeah, sure. We have our tech centers almost throughout around 12 different locations in India. So you can contact Phillips Machine Tools and reach out to any of our partners over there, and we will definitely be happy to help you over.
Absolutely right. And guys, thank you so much for watching. We're at Aaran 1 Engineering. This is the Markforged 3D printer. Really a good story. Yeah. Thank you so much for sharing it with the audience here from MTD, for the rest of the world. Absolutely incredible, man. Appreciate you.
Yeah, thank you, Tony. So it was a nice conversation. So I hope we can help a lot of them over through your video.